Dear friends, are you ready to unlock the power of the digital world? Welcome to TUM Info Solution, your friendly guide to navigating the exciting landscape of digital marketing right here in Kerala. We're passionate about helping you gain the skills you need to thrive in this booming industry. That's why we're dedicated to showcasing the best digital marketing education opportunities available in our vibrant city. We are thrilled to highlight an incredible initiative from one of Kochi's leading digital marketing educators, Digimark Academy. They are a fantastic institution committed to providing comprehensive and practical digital marketing training. They are offering a fantastic 30-day free online digital marketing course. Today we just preview Day 8 of Digital Marketing course. Overview of the core modules within digital marketing. Cloud hosting importance. What is Cloudways? How to make a website using Cloudways. Features of Cloudways. Pricing plan of Cloudways. Difference between shared hosting, cloud hosting and dedicated hosting. Day 8 is all about laying the groundwork and getting you comfortable with the exciting journey ahead. Digimark Academy has designed this course to be accessible and engaging right from the start. Here at 2M Info Solution in Kochi, we're passionate about empowering you with the skills you need to thrive online. That's why we're so excited to share Digimark Academy's 30-day free digital marketing course with you. It's a fantastic opportunity to begin your journey, so sign up today. We'll be back tomorrow with another glimpse, this time into Day 9. To stay updated and get more digital marketing insights from us at 2M Info Solution, please like this video and subscribe. Wishing you all the best in your learning. Bye for now.